Hey there, this is DRutter, March 16th, 2026. This is my garden, right here. Starts just here and it goes there to the back of the yard, on this side on the left. But, anyway, I'm in northern BC, Canada, so I don't expect it's like this everywhere in North America, and I have a lot of viewers in North America, so if you are in Canada or the US, and you're looking to grow some tomatoes this year, I have some free seeds for you. Stay tuned. Welcome to my 2026 heirloom tomato seed giveaway. Been doing this in one form or another for more than 15 years. Not exactly sure how long, I can't remember. Some record of it is on my channel here. Most of it is on the channel there, if we want to look back. But anyway, these seeds, not this exact seeds, actually some of these exact seeds, but my seeds in general were with me when I was homeless for a time in 2017-ish, give or take a year. I had some housing issues, and yeah, the seeds came with me in my backpack. They were one of the things, you know, I consider them more than worth their weight in gold, literally. And my seeds are always 200% organic, and they're heirloom and non-GMO. By 200% organic, I mean I never use anything on my plants. Not the plants, not the soil, nothing. I don't put anything on it other than just clean water, air, obviously sunlight, and topsoil. That's it. No fertilizers, no pesticides. You know, not 100% organic. It's 200%. There's no other really word for it, but you know, I don't even use organic products. Nothing. So it's harder to do, but the food and seeds that you produce that way are, I'd say, ultra high quality. Not to brag or anything, but yeah, that's true sustainability. That, you know, the way that nature does it, the way that nature intends for it to be done. So yeah, I do have a couple different varieties here. I have some packets here of the Sweet 100s. I think you know what those are. You've maybe seen me grow them in past years. Amish paste, that's a very popular heirloom type, very, very strong genetics. Great for making sauces. And some packets of miscellaneous. Those have a bit of each and a few random other seeds. So tomato seeds of mine, different varieties. So if you have a preference, you want some of these, and you prefer either the Amish paste or the Sweet 100s, or maybe even the miscellaneous, then just mention that along with your mailing address in an email. And in each one there's enough seeds to start a garden full of plants, and enough, you know, you'd get enough plants back from that to give away some seeds, maybe even. That'd be nice, or at least carry on from future years. These seeds will just continue on. They're truly heirloom seeds, and yeah, I would say that there's a germination rate of about at least 50%. Some of these seeds, as you can see, are from 2012. I've really drawn back deep into the vault this year to put these packets together. So, including some that were just done a couple of summers ago here up in northern BC. Haven't grown tomatoes in 2024 or 5. I did other crops, but yeah, so these are from 2012 to 2023, and I would say at least 50% will germinate. There's enough in there to get you going for sure. So yeah, they're totally free. Even the shipping's free. I got it. I'll cover it, and yeah, it's just a gift to you. So just take advantage of it and enjoy it. Just make sure you grow them this year. These aren't for like you to put away or whatever. This is if you need to grow tomatoes, I want to be the one that provides the seeds rather than, you know, Monsanto or something like that. That's kind of my thinking here. And maybe you could pass it on too if you're producing seeds from this. Maybe even some of the fruit, if you want, you could share some of that. Yeah, I've received much from the world, I feel. So it's just my way of, tiny way of beginning to put some of that back out there. So that's just why I'm doing it, why I do it, why I've been doing it for, 15 plus years. So first come, first served. Sweet 100s, Amish pastes, random grab bags, and while supplies last. So your privacy and your personal info will be protected. And just send me an email. That's how I'll do it. If you don't know my email address, it's my YouTube name at hotmail.com. Grow in peace.